Hey everybody, it's Brian. So in this video, I've got a spot in the yard here that has nothing in it. It's been this way since we moved in to this house about 5 years ago. It's just back in the corner next to the hot tub here. It gets a lot of shade during the day and only a few hours of sunlight. So I've got to look for some things that can do well in the shade, and this is what we ended up with. We got some Lenten rose. We've got some moonshine Pulmonaria, and we've got some sunset shades Primrose. Now I was looking for something that is going to flower early. This should do the trick here. Let's go ahead and get started on it. I'm going to position things roughly where I want it. I'm somebody that really likes organized chaos. Personal taste, I don't like having plants all positioned exactly 12 inches apart in rows and columns and everything all perfectly symmetrically laid out. Next, I'm digging out holes and I'm dropping the plants in place. Now, because of the way this spot is and because there's nothing currently growing in this spot, it gets a lot of organic material dumped on it. The ground is really good here. I can grow just about anything I want to in the soil. If you've got less than ideal ground, or if you're planting more of a specialty plant, you might add some specific fertilizer for that plant to help the plants establish and grow. Now be sure to loosen the roots anytime you pull plants out of pots like this, if they're root bound or if the roots have taken on the shape of the container. You want to break those up. If you don't, you do run the risk of having the plant maintain the container shape once you put it in the ground and the roots don't actually spread and grow. So be sure to break these up and separate the roots out a little bit. Now, once I have them all in, I'm removing off extra dirt and cleaning off the patio, giving it a good hose down. I give all the plants a drink and then add a fresh layer of bark. So with everything in place, these require minimal sun. They will bloom early next year and provide the bees with some good spring food, and I don't have to leave so many dandelions in other places to feed the bees. That's it for this one. Like and subscribe for more tips on growing tropical and subtropical looking plants in your cold weather environments. Happy growing.